Good morning children. Welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about the problems on multiplication. Problems on multiplication. Now we are doing some problems on multiplying a 3-digit number by 1-digit number, a 4-digit number by 1-digit number. Multiplying a 3-digit number by 1-digit number, a 4-digit number by 1-digit number. Now in that first one, 123 into 3. Here we have to multiply these 3. While we are multiplying time, always we have to start the multiplication from its ones place too. Always we have to start the multiplication from its ones place. So multiply with ones place. 3 3s are 3 to first ones place, next tens, next hundreds. 3 3s are 9. Next this number to tens place. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Next one. 3214 into 2. Here what is the places? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So it is a 4-digit number by multiplying with a 1-digit number. So first here also we have to start from ones place 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Okay, next one. 214 into 3. 214 into 3. Now, next one, see, 214 into 3. It is a 3-digit number. We are multiplying with a 1-digit number. Now, multiply 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. We get 2 digits. 1 to 12. In that, 2 we have to write here. These 1 we have to write up of the 1. Okay. Next. 3 1s are 3. Now add this 1 to that number. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 2s are 6. Next. 435 into 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. 3 0. In this 0 right here. These 3 right up of 3. Next. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3. 6 3s are multiply these to add these 3. 6 3s are 18 plus 3. 18 plus 3 21. 6 3s are 18 plus 3 21. So in the 21, one strike off and right here. These 2 right up of the 4. So 2 here. Now 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 2, 26. 24 plus 2, 26. 2610. Next, 1058 into 9. 1058 into 9. 9 8s are 72. So 2 straight off and 2 right here. This 7 right here. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 7. 45 plus 7 how much ma? Yes, 52. Now in this 52, 2 here, again 5 here. 9 into 0, 0. When we multiply any number with 0, what we get? 0. So 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. Next one. 5694 into 7. 5694 into 7. First 7 4s are 28. In the 28 2 where we should write? 8 where we should write? 8 we should write here. 2 we have to write up of the 9. Next 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 2. Add 63 plus 2. 65. In that where we should write 6? Where we should write 5? Yes. We should write 5 here. 6 we should write up of the 600s place. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 6, 48. Same here. 8 here, 4 here. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 4, 39. Okay children, next one is 47 into 12. 47 into 12. How we should do this one? 47 into 12. 47 into 12. Here we are multiplying a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. A 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. Like this given time, see. How we should multiply? In this 12 we should expand 10 plus 2. This 12 we should expand 10 plus 2. So first we have to multiply with 2. Next we have to multiply with 10. First we have to multiply with 2. Next we have to multiply with 10. First we have to multiply with 2. Multiply with 2. 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are, first we have to multiply with 2. 2 sevens are 14. 1 here, 4 here. 2 fours are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 94. Next we have to multiply with 10 more. Next we have to multiply with 10. 10 sevens are 70. 10 sevens are 70. So in that 7 here, 0 here. 10 fours are 40. 40 plus 7, 47. Actually what we are doing while we are doing here, we are keeping 0. Why we should keeping 0? Every time one digit after. Why we should keeping 0 means we are multiplying with 10. So here in this place we get 0. That's why we are keeping here 0 before only. Now add these two. 4 plus 0, 4. 9 plus 7, 16. 4 plus 1, 5. We did multiplication, a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. Next one is 57 into 25. 57 into 25. This 25 how we should write? 20 plus 5. So first we have to multiply with 5 more. 5 sevens are 35. So 3 here, 5 here. 5 fives are 25. 25 plus 3, 28. Next we have to multiply with 20. 27s are how much? 27s are 140. So in that 140 we should write this 0 here, this 14 above 5. So here 14. Next 25s are how much? 100. 100 plus 14, 114. So 114. 5 plus addition we have to do. 5 plus 0, 5. 8 plus 4, 12. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Here it is 1. This is the multiplication about a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. Next we are learning the multiplications about a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Multiplication a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Here first 132 into 13. 132 into 13. Okay, this 13 how we should write? Yes, 10 plus 3. We should write this 13, 10 plus 3. First we have to multiply with 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. Next this one we have to multiply with 10. 10 twos are 20. Here not giving, they are directly one number down, one number. 10 twos are 20. So here 2. Here 0. 10 threes are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. So 2 here, 3 here. 10 ones are 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Now we have to do the addition. 6. 9 plus 2, 11. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Here 1. 1716. This is the multiplication by a 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Next. 198 into 27. 198 into 27. 198 into 27. This 27 how we should write? Yes. 20 plus 7. 20 plus 7. First we have to multiply with 7. 7 8s are 56. Here 5, here 6. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 5, 68. 7 1s are 7 plus 6, 13. Okay, next we have to multiply with 20. 28s are 160. So 0 here, 16 here. 29s are 180. 180 plus 16, 196. So 19 here, 6 here. 21s are 20. 20 plus 19, 39. 20 plus 19, 39. Now we have to do the addition. 6 plus 0, 6. 8 plus 6, 14. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5346.